Have you ever seen a bird just stop in midair? Meet the kestrel, a master of aerial physics. While other birds must glide forward to stay aloft, the kestrel locks itself into the sky like a statue. It uses incredible micromovements in its wings and tail to stay balanced. It's a high-stakes game of precision against the wind. But its real secret is hidden within its eyes. Kestrels can actually see the world in ultraviolet light. They track the glowing trails of their prey from high above. Once spotted, there is no escape. Nature's most precise high-tech hunter. Follow for more incredible nature facts